going to make some filet mignon steak or beef tenderloin for you, and the baked potatoes. So, as most of you would know, the filet mignon is very soft meat. It's the almost best part of the cow. So what we need for this is like I have a few steaks, filet mignon steaks. I have some chopped green onions, some chopped mushrooms, and I have some chopped green onions and shredded cheese and sour cream and butter to garnish our baked potato. And I have my potatoes. What I have done, because potatoes take too long to be baked, I have already baked the potatoes, but normally what I do is, this is kind of a medium one, but normally I get the big potato. So what I do, I just get the potato and just poke with knife or fork, create some holes, and then put it in the middle of my paper and just wrap it like this, and voila, and put it in the oven. It takes a long time, like I said, maybe like this size, probably an hour. But if you have a bigger potato, it might take like an hour and a half or so. But you would know, because you can touch the potato and you would know it's soft, then it's done. So this is for the baked potato. I have already have the potatoes in the oven, they're cooking. So by the time we are done with our steaks, that would be ready too. So for the steak, what I do, this is a very, I want to taste the real meat actually. That's why I'm not using lots of seasoning. All I use is salt and pepper. So I put the salt and pepper on both sides, generously, on each side, okay. Like, just eyeball it. Okay. I actually have also cut the meat like I don't want it to be thick, but if you like your filet mignon to be thick, because normally the cuts are very thick, I just because if you have a thick piece, you have to cook it for a long time if you want it well done. Otherwise, some people like it very red, but not in my family. We never like red meat. We like everything well done. Okay, so let's take them to the pan. So what I have done in the pan, you add 2 tablespoonful of olive oil or vegetable oil, and 1 spoon of melted butter. We add 2 to 3 teaspoonful of olive oil or vegetable oil. Like I said, I use grapeseed oil, and 1 teaspoonful of butter. So we use oil so my butter doesn't get burned fast. So my oil is already ready, and you want the oil to be very hot, but you have to be very careful, because when you put the meat, it might start getting out of the pan, so you don't want to burn yourself. So what we will do, okay, so my butter is getting I put my, it's perfect. Okay, and you don't want to overcrowd the pan. If you have too many pieces, you just have to do it in batches, because if you overcrowd them, they're going to create juice and they're not going to get brown. So it's like 3-4 minutes on each side for well done. But if you want medium or rare, probably 2 minutes on each side. So we are done with our steak. So I'm gonna put the same pot and the oil. I'm gonna put like 2 handful of chopped onions and 1 handful of mushroom, and let this cook for a few minutes. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, after our mushroom is a little golden, we can add like few teaspoonful of broth, chicken broth. Okay, and then our sauce is perfectly done. Okay, so let's put it in a plate. Our potatoes, look, oh my god, they cooked so well. So what we do, it's very hot, you have to be very careful. You just put it in the plate. We make 2 cuts, one like this, and like I said, it's very hot. You have to press it like this. You press it like this, and you have all your garnishment. You can add butter, you can add sour cream. I will add butter first, so you can add butter and some sour cream. Okay, and some green onions. I chopped some green onions and some shredded cheese. Oh, looks so good. And anything else you want. Add some salt and some pepper, and you will take your let's taste it. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, the meat is, the steak is perfectly done. But this is like for well done. But if you like medium rare, you don't have to. You only have to cook like 2-3 minutes per side. I cook like 4 minutes, but this is my liking. It's so good. The meat is so tender, and you know, potato. What you do? We get it with all the garnishment, the sour cream, the onions, the cheese, the butter. It looks so good and so delicious. So delicious. You know, you can't believe it. It's perfect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.